Hey guys, as I said in the previous video, I'm going to make another video to show you guys how to clean ice off of the car. So you see how the front glass was fully covered with ice, snow. So if I clean this off now, so it will easily go away. Otherwise, if we leave it for some time, then it's going to become an ice and then it would be hard to clean it off. So you see, this is how it's going to be after some time. So now if we clean this off, then it's going to be very easy. It will come off like a powder. You can see now when we clean. Usually there will be a different brush we use to clean the snow. Since we do not have, we are just using this small brush kind of stuff. Yeah, it's as simple as that. You see, if you leave it like that, it's all going to be ice for some time later. Yeah, okay. Yeah. See how it's like powder now. See, that's all. See. Yeah, it's very easy now. I'll try to make some other video when it's going to be icy. But if we leave now like this, it would be hard for us to clean it off later. We need to turn on heater and leave it for some time, maybe 10-15 minutes. Then the ice melts. Yeah. You see? Usually we don't clean, people don't clean the ice from the top, from the roof, because it really doesn't affect our driving. So mainly we need to clean the glass. Yeah, that's all guys. We will try to make another video when the car is fully covered with ice. You see how the roads now people draw, so you see this is how it's going to be. It's going to be watery, icy, and it's very danger to walk on these roads, because when you step on this ice, it will be very slippery and we get skid, we may fall, so it will be danger. Immediately that's yeah, that's all guys. It's so easy if you clean it off before it gets ice. Okay guys. See you in the next video.